Well, I've got something a little different today that I'd like to share with you, but it can be very helpful. It's how to get rid of hiccups. You know, when you get them and you don't know what to do from uh, whatever people say, put sugar on your tongue or try to drink water upside down or all kinds of crazy stuff. My solution, it's something that's always worked for me and it's real simple and you don't need anything. You basically take a deep breath, as deep a breath as you can, really expand your lungs, hold it, and while you're holding that breath, you're going to swallow 5 times. You have 5 dry swallows. You're not going to be drinking water or anything. 5 real swallows. After the 5th swallow, you're going to slowly let the air out of your lungs as slow as you can. And this is going to take a little longer than you think. You're going to, wonder if you've got enough air, but it'll work. And when it's all finished, you're going to realize, hey, my hiccups are gone. It really does work. It just, I don't know, it resets your diaphragm or something. But what's nice about it, you don't need sugar, water, tricks, or anything. You sit right where you're doing and take care of things. So anyway, I thought I'd share that because it came up recently. I had to use it. And I hope y'all find this helpful. As usual, everything else, good luck with your projects.